Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to disable product zoom in your WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So you can go ahead and get started with logging in, and after doing so successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here of your website, where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started removing the zoom effects. First things first guys is you want to set up your WooCommerce store. So here at the left side of the screen, once you open up WooCommerce, you can get started with setting up a new store if you do not already have one, and if you have set up one, you can just go ahead and manage it from here, and now we can get started removing any zoom effects. So as you can see, there is a thread right here where somebody already asked how to remove the zoom effect on WooCommerce product images, and they have asked a question. So basically we have gotten this answer right here that we want to input this code. This is the code that you can use for removing the effect. As you can see, it has worked perfectly with the code right here. So all you can do is go to this article right here, search for it on Google, and after searching for it, just go ahead and copy this code. If you do not know where to paste it, as you can see, somebody also asked this, you can go ahead and check it out right here on how you can add PHP code to your WooCommerce store. So it's easy as that. By inputting the code is going to remove the product zoom. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.